Well, here today on the Rusty Kitchen, what we're going to do today is we're going to make fish tacos, and going to be real good. Seasoned it up a little bit with some of my favorite rub to put on different kinds of meats. I like putting that stuff on everything. Well, what we're going to go ahead and do today is I'm going to use something new. I'm going to use this little Teflon mat, and that's what I'm going to put my fish on so it doesn't stick to the grate on the grill. So let's see how that works. We'll give that a while and come check on it. Well, it's all been cooking for a little bit. And I put a little bit of Cajun seasoning on these vegetables and some olive oil so they can brown just a little. I really like that Teflon mat for cooking something like fish so it doesn't stick to the grill. Well, I tell you, our vegetables are getting just about done. They're nice and soft and not to the point to where they're burnt or anything. And fish doesn't take long to cook at all. And it's done on both sides. It's starting to kind of break apart real easy. So I think it's time to get it off the grill. I kind of thought while we were cooking, we'd go ahead and put our tortillas here on the grill. Woohoo! And get us some grill marks on it. Well, we took our tortillas out there and grilled them on the grill and got them kind of toasty, and that's going to be nice. We're going to get us one of those big pieces of fish, and we're going to put it on each taco. We'll take some of these vegetables that we cooked on the grill, put them on there. So next, we're going to put a little Connie sauce on there. Put just a little sour cream on there to seal the deal. So here we are. We've got it all set up and ready for supper. So I think it's going to be pretty good. So I appreciate y'all coming by the Rusty Kitchen. This is Rusty Glove Box, and I'm out.